Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to be announcing the winner for this little saddle axe right here. So did this for the giveaway for this month. I did a restoration video and now we're going to announce a winner. So yeah, the piece turned out really nice. There's no gaps. It just hung really well. So I'm really happy with it. It's what is that, a 20-inch, 24-inch Whiskey River handle. So you can see it's got some nice heartwood running through the one side. Yeah, just really happy with it. Kind of a sad moment to have to give this thing away. And I will say I haven't even chopped a single thing with it. I cut one piece of paper and that's it. I wanted to take it to the target and throw it, but I refrained. So a couple things before we announce the winner. One, I've been getting good positive feedback on this, so we're going to do it again. We're going to do another one in April. Two, so whoever didn't see the first video when I announced we're going to be doing a giveaway for the first time, the reason why we're doing the giveaways is an old timer came to me with a whole bunch of old tools and he gave them to me and he didn't want any compensation. He gave them to me for free. And all he said was to pay it forward. So I decided to start a giveaway off of the pay it forward concept. So the idea goes is you win if you can, pay it forward also, right? So that's what that is. And I just wanted to note that it's not just, you know, a giveaway. Another benefit is that, you know what, it is a way to give to the subscribers that help grow this channel. So that's awesome. Let's see, three ideas for next month's giveaway. I've got a couple of different ideas. So I've been working on this handle pattern. This one's on an axe gang. Been dyeing them and whatnot for, you know, throwing axes. Got this on those little Prandy heads that you see for, I don't know, 15 bucks. Sweet little heads. So yeah, I was thinking about doing maybe a custom throwing axe set. And also thinking about doing an axe restoration kit. So you get a rusty old axe, you get a handle. So either I make a handle or maybe someone donates a handle. You know, an old draw knife, kind of some tools to start into a restoration. There's a lot of people that watch this kind of stuff and they don't even own an axe, right? So I think that would be cool. It'd be kind of good to get people into it more. And if you're into axes, shoot, you get more cool stuff, right? So with that, if you have any ideas on what to do for giveaways, you know, if we want to steer away from the axes, I'm good with that. If you got any ideas, drop it in a comment. I might do a post and put it to a vote and see what people are thinking. I'm good with doing axes. I give away axes every month. I enjoy making them, and I think that'd be a lot of fun. So yeah, drop a comment if you got any ideas. And then, oh yeah, if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified about this type of thing, about these giveaways, hit that subscribe button if you think you're into this kind of content. And of course, thumbs up. Thumbs ups help a ton, help grow the channel. The channel's growing out of control right now, and that's awesome, and I'm really happy with that. So I want to keep that going, right? So yes, what we've all been waiting for, the winner of this super unconventional yet badass axe, Andy Ferguson. Andy Ferguson, this is your axe. Username Andy Ferguson. Got a little, looks like a little Frenchie dog as the avatar. Yeah, Andy, this is your axe. I will communicate with you through comments, and then you can get me on my email, and then I'll give you a code, and you'll have to put that code back in the comments. That's the only way I know it's you, without doing some sort of registration type thing. And I want to stay away from having to do any type of registration for any giveaways. So yeah, we'll do it like that. Andy, congratulations. This is yours. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you put it to good use, or throw it up on the wall. And if you've got a change of heart and you don't want it, you just shoot me an email and say you don't want it. I'll keep it. No, I'm just joking. I want you to have it, Andy. Yeah, so that's it for today. Like I said, drop a comment if you guys have any ideas on which way we want to steer this giveaway thing. So hope you guys have a good day.